Demonstrative determiners, pointing out with precision. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that can truly help refine your English skills. We're going to explore demonstrative determiners and, more importantly, learn how to use them effectively in context. So, let's start our linguistic journey. Demonstrative determiners are words we use to point out specific things or people in sentences. They give us a way to refer to things directly and indicate whether they are near or far in space or time. In English, the main demonstrative determiners are this, that, these, and those. Remember, this and these refer to things that are close, either physically or metaphorically, and that and those refer to things that are further away. This and these are used for items close to us. This is used for singular items, and these is used for plural items. Let's see how they work in context. This is my book. These are my friends. Notice how this points out one specific book, and these points to a group of friends. The items we're pointing out are close to us in some way. Now let's move to that and those, which are used for items that are far from us. That is used for singular items, and those is used for plural items. Here are some examples. That is your car. Those are the buildings I mentioned. In these examples, that is pointing out a specific car that's far away, and those is referring to a group of buildings that are far in distance. So, we've seen how these determiners work, but let's dive deeper into using them in context. We can use these determiners not only in terms of physical distance but also in a metaphorical sense, such as referring to something in a conversation or text. For example, if we're discussing ideas in a meeting, we might say, "This idea, the one we are currently discussing, is excellent." Those suggestions, the ones mentioned earlier, were helpful. See how this and those help us identify specific ideas in the conversation. That's the power of demonstrative determiners. And that's a wrap on demonstrative determiners. These tiny but powerful words play a crucial role in our day-to-day conversation, making our communication more precise and clearer. Practice using this, that, these, and those correctly and watch your English communication skills improve remarkably. Until next time, keep practicing, stay curious, and continue loving language.